show you how to convert a Word document to PDF without any extra software, any extra hardware, just you and your Word document. So follow me and work with me closely. So let's say you have a topic you're writing on and you're supposed to write it in, let's say this is the outline for the topic. So you're supposed to submit it in PDF, or assuming you have a CV, you want to convert it to PDF format because it's not advisable to send CVs in Microsoft Word format because of the ATS system. So all you can do is to convert this Microsoft Word document to a PDF. It is by just save, go to file, go to save as, go to where you want to save it. Let's say I want to save it on my desktop. You click on PDF. So you can rename this to be video PDF. So if you wish to uh, enhance or make some features change, like um, specifying the particular page range you want, you can do this here. If you want the converted documents to show the document properties, you can remove it or include it. Then if you want to encrypt the document with password, this is where you do that. So all you just need to do is click OK. And if you only need it for online publication, that is for use online, not for printing, you can just click minimum size to reduce the size it takes. So you save it. So it gets saved as a PDF. As you can see right now, this is a PDF, video PDF, that's PDF reader. So it can't be edited, um, it can be altered, although save for some software that can alter documents, but this one as it is, it can't be altered. So there you have it. There you have it. Just show you.